there YouTube, welcome back to the latest Delta Executor tutorial video. Guys, here I just got the newest version of the Delta Executor installed on my iOS device, and here you see that's the working version I just got. And in this tutorial video guys, I'm going to tell you how you can use the Delta Executor on your iOS and Android device and how to download it without side loading, without PC, and without jailbreak guys. So what you need to do is very simple. Just go to your web browser, and over the web browser you need to go to the here, that's the Robloxing. So guys, make sure you enter the right place, that's the robloxing.com. And over here you are gonna see the options for Delta, Roblox scripts, and other executors. Tap on the top one, which is Delta Executor, and you're gonna see the page like this one here where you need to enter your Roblox username. Okay, so my Roblox username is not already, and here you go. Okay, tap on connect account to proceed in order to proceed further. And now account has been connected, you can see guys. Okay, now you need to tap over here so that we can get the latest version. And now here is the script part. If you want to get the script without key, just tap over here. Let's help overflow, force, help, Nike, Seluna, and other more. Tap on continue after you did this part, and now you gotta wait a little bit till the system is been connecting with the Delta Executor API. And now finalizing, here is the API has been connected, you can see, and the account has been connected as well. Here is the activation key. Okay, you can see the last 2 digits of the activation key is been hidden. What we need to do is easy, is here is there's the Google reCAPTCHA, and tap over here on the Google reCAPTCHA so that we can finalize the download of the Delta Executor. And here, okay, Google reCAPTCHA has opened this page, and that's the security gateway of the Delta. So guys, we need to install 2 free apps from the list given over here so that we can download it. Okay, here tutorial video also been given here, like how to complete that. Just simply install 2 free apps or participate in survey, and once you install the app, run them for 30 seconds, and we are all good to go guys. And that's how actually you can do that. So let me open the box fruit again using the Delta Executor, you can see. Okay, and join the server here so that I can tell you how you can use the Delta Executor latest version here. And now here you can see that's the menu part of the Delta Executor guys as well. Thanks for using Delta. And here is the script box guys. You want the script, simply search for it. Let me search for the Red Hub, which is the most popular script for the blocks root. Tap on the Red Hub and you will see the option for execute selected script. Tap on execute selected script, and that's how you can do that. So guys, that's how you can download and use the Delta Executor and execute it. So that's very simple. Okay, here is the menu into scam, disable Roblox, and all things like that. Okay, here the auto farm and other things guys. So enjoy the tutorial video, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel.